So I'm just going to take my head wrap down. I'm not going to show you guys my nappy roots. Maybe a little bit. Anyway, so you're going to start off with your head wrap centered in the middle like this, both sides even. And as you can see, this is a wider cut than our normal wraps. What you're going to do is twist once. And you're going to come behind like this and cross. And the secret to this head wrap is pushing your wrap kind of closer to the center. Coming to the front, cross again. And what you're going to do is you're going to tuck one side of your head wrap at the top like that and cross the other side of your head wrap on the sides like that. I'm going to go ahead and fix what you got going on. Now this head wrap is actually unsewn, and I don't know if you guys have peeped, but some of my head wraps that I do for tutorials are unsewn, and I kind of like my head wraps like that. I know a lot of you guys don't, but I do. That's just me being lazy. Eventually, I'll probably go ahead and sew up my own personal collection, but I usually just cut out a piece of fabric and then just go. But it does look kind of raggedy on the ends. I have to stop doing that. And then you can add on accessories to the end. I have on my earrings right here. We have a few earrings in our own collection that would look great. Unfortunately, my ears are not pierced, so I'm going to stick to some vintage pieces today. Add a cute choker. You're good to go, sis. I hope you guys enjoyed this quick tutorial. Give me a heart if you guys like it, and don't forget to subscribe to our email list to get updates on what's going on with Shop Draped, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.